Since wildfires in the West seem to be the new norm, it seems we should be rebuilding these structures in a new way. I don't think they should even have to evacuate. Just throw in a pizza, grab a cold beer, watch a movie or watch TV until the signal goes out, and relax. So this is just a basic rough concept, but the general idea is you start with ground level, dig down into it 3 or 4 feet, put that dirt aside, throw down a foundation and either put up forms and pour a cement structure, or you 3D print it, which is becoming more popular. You add in slabs and retaining walls around your doors in your garage first, and then you go back, fill it in with dirt and whatever you're going to use for drainage around the house, and then fill it up to just below the windows, and then you add in slabs and retaining walls around those. You put up your steel or whatever you're using as support for the roof, throw down some pan, preferably corrugated, and then put on your cement slab, seal that sucker up. Of course, you got to have all your proper venting and stuff. Cover it up with dirt, maybe top it off with some pretty wildflowers or a shrubbery. Make sure the natural drainage isn't going to go down the steps or down your driveway, or, well, you should probably think about that before you even start this. Then you top it off by adding roll down blinds above each door and window that you can pull down with a fireproof material and lock it into the slab below each one. Of course, if you're really going to hang out here while a wildfire rolls over the top of you, you're probably going to want to upgrade your HVAC system, have some extra oxygen tanks, stuff like that. Actually test it out ahead of time. A lot of little details, but this is just the basic concept.